Hello everyone, this is Ed Park, Managing Director at ATMS Logistics. When importing goods into the United States, one issue that many importers encounter at least once is a U.S. customs hold and inspection delay. In this guide, we clearly and simply explain the 7 key preventive measures to help you minimize the risk of customs hold and inspection related delay before they occur. We will continue to upload more in-depth video on various import related topics. So please stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. Let's dive into today's topic. Ways to avoid U.S. customs hold and inspection delay. The first step to avoid U.S. customs hold and inspection delay is to ensure complete and accurate documentation for customs clearance. Check all major shipping documents such as commercial invoice, packing list, and bill of ladings are consistent and accurate. Make sure there are no discrepancies or omissions in quantity, the product description, or country of origin. Confirm that data submitted to customs electronically by your customs brokers matches the information on your paperwork. Please make a note that even small errors in documentation can trigger an automatic system hold in U.S. Customs electronic processing system, so accuracy is critical. Another key factor is verifying that correct classification code, harmonized tariff schedule, or HTS code has been used. Incorrect classification can cause wrong duty assessment and potential penalty, delay due to review by another government agency, being flagged as a high-risk shipper in future entry. Compare the classification code on your exporter shipping documents with those used by your customs broker for consistency. Always verify your product classification with your broker before filing. Third, check if your product is subject to PGA, Partner Government Agency review. Some products require review or approval from U.S. Partner Government Agencies, PGA, in addition to customs. Examples include FDA for Food and Drug Administration, EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, USDA, Department of Agriculture, FCC, Federal Communication Commissions. Before shipping, confirm with your broker whether any additional documentations or permits are required by these agencies, such as permits, prior notice, certificate of compliance. Fourth, follow labeling and country of origin marking regulation. Labeling and origin marking issues are among the most common causes of custom inspections and hold. Ensure that your product meets all U.S. labeling and marking requirements before shipment. For example, food and pharmaceutical must comply with FDA labeling regulation. Textiles and apparel must comply with FTC, which is Federal Trade Commission labeling rules. Fifth, understand customs risk-based targeting. Understanding how U.S. Customs identify high-risk shipments will also help you prevent hold. Customs use electronic systems such as ACE, which is Automated Commercial Environment, or ATS, Automated Targeting System, to automatically flag shipment with risk indicators. If your company has a history of non-compliance with U.S. import regulation, undervaluing goods to reduce duties, or inconsistent data between documentations and entry, you may face increased inspection frequency in the future. Maintaining consistent import records and transparent declaration is the best way to lower your risk score. 6. Work with reliable exporters and logistic partners. Partnering with a trustworthy exporters and freight forwarder can greatly reduce your risk of hold. Reliable partners help ensure accurate documentation and compliance with U.S. regulation. If exporters provide incorrect information or fail to inform you of change in time, customs may place your shipment on immediate hold during clearance. Maintain close communication with your customs broker. Maintain close and proactive communication with your customs broker is very important. Even small changes should be discussed with your broker in advance to avoid last-minute issues. When you receive CBP Form 28, Request for Information, or CBP Form 29, Notice of Action, consult your broker immediately and submit all requested documents within the given deadline. Please remember that delayed responses and insufficient documentation can further aggravate customs clearance delay. Summary: here are the key steps to prevent U.S. customs hold and inspection delay. First, ensure accuracy, completeness, and transparency in all custom documentation. Second, submit correct and consistent data during clearance. Third, understand the regulation of relevant partner government agencies. Lastly, maintain ongoing communication with your customs broker. We discussed 7 essential ways to avoid U.S. customs hold and inspection delay. We will continue to share more in-depth videos on various import-related topics. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen. We'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Have a great day.